Hello students, in my today's video I am going to give you the definition of noun and its four kinds. In my previous video I have explained all the definition. In this time I am giving you the written work of noun and its kinds of noun. Now come to the definition of noun and its kind. Noun. Words which are used as the names of persons, animals, places or things are called nouns. All naming words are nouns. All this you have read previously also. Okay, so come to the example of nouns. Tom, girl, army, iron, health. All these are the examples of noun. Now students, you all know that anything, any person or any animal is said to be noun. Now come to the kinds of nouns. First kind is proper noun. Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, animals, places, things or idea. Any particular person, any place or anything is said to be proper noun. For example, Saina Nehwal, Mount Everest, the Indian Ocean, Apollo 11, Mumbai, Qutub Minar. All these are the examples of proper noun. Proper nouns name specific persons, places or things. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. All these are the qualities of the proper noun. Now come to the second kind of noun, that is common nouns. Common nouns are the names of common people, places, animals and things of the same class or kind. See the examples: boy, girl, dog, house, bicycle, man. All these are the examples of common noun. Now, common nouns are non-specific persons, places or things which are not specific or particular person or thing, means all those which are common is said to be common noun. Now come to the third kind, that is collective nouns. Collective nouns denote number of person or thing grouped together as a whole. Means when a same kind of things or persons are grouped together, then it is said to be collective noun. Examples: crowd, flock, fleet, herd, team, mob, etc. Now come to the fourth kind, that is abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the names of some quality, state or action considered to be apart from the things to which it belongs, which cannot see or touch but can only think of. The things which cannot be the things which we cannot see, touch or are said to be abstract noun. Okay, which we can only feel. Come to the examples: cleverness, theft, youth, goodness, flight. All these are the examples of abstract noun which cannot be seen and which cannot be touched. Okay students, thank you students for this video of kinds of noun. You have to do all this noun and kinds of noun in your language fair copy.